From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 15th question of NECO 2025 is a question on percentage error. It says the length of a classroom window was measured as 400 cm. Find the percentage error if the actual length is 399.5. So you want to recall the formula for percentage error. Percentage error is simply the error or the absolute value of the error over the true or actual value times 100. And so how we measure the error is the true minus the false or the miscalculated value. So this is 399.5 minus 400. That's the essence of the absolute value. Or you could say 400 minus 399. So in that case, the absolute value will not be necessary. The true value is 399.5 times 100. If we subtract this, this is absolute value of minus 0.5 over 399.5 times 100. And so this is simply 0.5 times 100 over 399.5. If you times this in your calculator, you will get 0.125. And that is simply A. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you have not done that yet. Thank you.